Bago matapos ang taon, sa isang pambihirang pagkakataon muna muling nagsama-sama ang mga luxury resellers at natatanging individual na nagmula pa sa iba't ibang lugar at bansa. Sila ang naging bahagi ng luxury bags, watches and diamond authentication workshop sa nakalipas na 18 buwan na inorganisa sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon dito sa Pilipinas ng Lux Trust by Amethyst sa pamamagitan ng founder nito na si Ms. Jonelle Rufino kasama ang PGO Academy na nagmula pa sa ibang bansa. Ilan lang sa mga dumalo sa alumni meet and greet sina Ms. Annabel Rama, ang fashion icon na si Raymond Gutierrez, Filipino businessman na si Sam Versosa, aktres at entrepreneur na si Lovely Abelia Manalo, social media influencer na si Michelle D, at iba pang mga kilalang personalidad sa industriya. Ang kanilang pagdalo sa natatanging pagdiriwang ng tagumpay na nakamit ng Lux Trust by Amethyst sa loob lang ng magdadalawang taon ay pagpapakita lamang ng patuloy nilang pagsuporta sa misyon nitong mabigyan ng sapat na kaalaman ang mga nagbebenta ng mamahaling items para maiiwas sila sa mga counterfeit at scammers.
So, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Of course, without all you guys, hindi naman ito magiging successful. No, please support and let's continue building this community, solid community to all the luxury sellers in the Philippines. So at least we have this kind of event na of course marami tayong matutulungan, di ba? Importante po talagang alam natin, we should know what we are doing, especially if this is our business, di ba? So dapat po talagang we should fight the counterfeit items, also the scammers, no? Kailangan pag-uusapan palagi yan eh. Kailangan ba natin i-avoid to? Sino ba kailangan natin i-avoid? Kasi marami po talaga po we have different groups. Luxury bags, mga bag sellers, diamond, may gold, may kanya-kanyang community yan eh. So at least in Lux Trust, nagkasama-sama lahat.
Mas palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Jonelle for bringing us all together here and helping the luxury industry, elevating this community. Congratulations, 750 plus graduates of this Lux Trust. In 18 months, imagine, wala pang 2 years. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy pa to, and I heard pa-expand na expand from bags to watches, diamonds, gold.
Congratulations, Ate Jonelle, because I was here since day 1, batch 1. I saw how this workshop grew. And from there, grabe, sobrang laki na talaga. As in, kakaiba na. So, more workshop to come and more women to help.
Please, Jonelle, continue to do this workshop. It's a really big help for our and passionate of luxury watch and bags, diamonds and golds. This is a really, really good help for sa ating community. Kaya sobrang thankful kami and sa mga ibang mga students mo na dinala mo si PGO dito sa Philippines. And good luck for more batches. I think this will be more and more to come.
Masaya yung experience, super, kasi ang dami mong natutunan. Marami ka kasing mga bagay na hindi mo alam, pero dito natututunan mo. So itong workshop na to is malaking tulong for you to gain knowledge bago nyo pasukin yung business na to para syempre aside sa hindi tayo maloko ng mga scammers.
Bilang bahagi rin ng lumalaking pamilya ng Lux Trust by Amethyst, dinagsa na rin sila ng mga sponsor. Karamihan sa mga ito ay naging parte rin ng batch 1 to 6 ng authentication workshop habang ang iba sa kanila ay nagpahayag ng interes na mag-enroll sa susunod na taon.
Super happy kami with the Lux Trust by Amethyst kasi last batch, students lang po kami. Yeah. So we were interested on checking yung sa bags, mga watches. So interested kami last batch. And then yun, happy kami na ngayon, ay wow, isa na kami sa sponsor. So the reason why, because we believe in the market. Maraming akala natin naghihirap ang Pilipinas, pero my gosh, ang dami nag-enroll. So talagang natutuwa ako. So but again, kami naman, our mission is to help people to take care of their health talaga.
Yes.
So yun po.
Collaborating with Miss Janelle is really such a great experience. And we know for a fact na nasa industry siya na nagdadagdag ng knowledge when it comes to luxury items, to be specific, the bags, the watches, and all that stuff. But the main core there is you can experience and you can enjoy that experience if healthy ka, hindi ka nakaratay ng sakit or hindi ka bedridden. So as part of to continue enjoying those splurges, those luxuries in life, at the end of the day, you should take care of your health. So that's the reason we have a great collaboration, partnership with Miss Janelle, and partnering with them is a great and fun experience. Sobrang bait, sobrang gagaling nila Ma'am Janelle at saka ng
Yeah.
Talaga nakilala ko si Ma'am Junel na sobrang napakabait niya at saka at the same time, so tinutulungan niya lahat ng mga katulad namin, na mga nagsisimula at yung mga businesswoman, businessman, lalo na yung mga products na mga beauty products at saka yung mga bags at marami pang iba. Kaya sobrang grateful po sa amin si Ma'am Junel.
I'm very happy na, the outcome is very nice and good kasi parang we're here educating then how the watches would be like or the industry of watches, what models would be in the market, what would be in, what would be out, diba? Kasi not everybody knows yung mga uso, yung mga good investments. So that's why we're also here. We're also here to educate. We're also here to show our pieces and freely fit them na nandito sa workshop. I see that everybody gets a lot of knowledge from having Lux Trust here as one of the first accredited authenticators with certifications pa in the Philippines. So I'm very happy about that and proud.
We are happy po na magkaroon ng collaboration with Miss Janelle since nakakatulong po siya sa amin for marketing and for para maipakilala si Vanta GX sa mga tao.
Bukod sa iFern, Heram Beauty Essentials, Swiss Perpetual at Trisco Trading Company, kabilang din sa mga naging sponsor ng Lux Trust ang Lux White, Kim's Diary, Right Skin Sincerity at marami pang iba. Samantala, bago naman ang naganap na alumni meet and greet, nagsipagtapos muna ang iba pang nag-participate sa 3-day luxury bag authentication workshop na kumumpleto sa 750 students mula sa batch 6.
Helpful po, especially ilang beses na rin akong napigayan ng bags. So now, nag-aral na ako. Medyo learnings, knowledge
in the business for 10 years na. Yet, still evolving at malaking tulong ito. Every day is a new learning. So, honing my experience sa luxury pa.
Ito yung first time yung ma'am na
Yes, this is my first time. So, actually, yes, sa 10 years. So, I guess, sabi ko nga, hindi yung 10 years experience is para sa akin hindi pa rin enough. So, new learnings, new challenges. So, etong luxury authentication workshop na to, malaking tulong po talaga at malaking bagay, especially sa business owner sa luxury bags na katulad ko po.
We're on batch 6 na tayo. So we started as 20. 20 lang yun na, batch 1. Batch 2, 20 plus 40. Nagdagdag tayo ng watch nung batch 2. So batch 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nagdoble siya na nagdoble. Parami ng parami. Of course, everybody wants to learn and wants to feel safe. Hindi ko po siya talaga ini-expect na lalaki ng ganito agad in a span of 18 months. So marami na pong natuto. Marami pa pong gusto mag-aral. From bags to watch, nagkaroon po tayo ng diamond authentication workshop, nagkaroon tayo ng gold, precious metal. Of course, ino-offer pa rin natin yung watch, yung brand ng Rolex. And next year po, marami po tayong ilalabas na new workshop, na bagong program for them. From Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, marami na po talagang umaten, and even from different countries. Pero most of them are Filipinos, diba? In this kind of platform ng PGO Academy and Lux Trust, sana marami pa tayo magtulungan at marami pa po sanang mag-attend sa mga gusto rin po na matuto, mag-business. This is the time for you. Ito na yung pagkakataon nyo mag-start ng business nyo. Of course, dapat mag-aral po muna tayo. Of course, thank you so much to PGO Academy from Malaysia for keep coming back, for trusting me na gawin yung workshop dito sa Philippines. So, mensahe ko sa kanila, thank you for your endless support. Sana in the future workshop, andito pa rin po kayo. So, let's build this community for all of us.
Magaganap naman ang Batch 7 ng Authentication Workshop ng Luxus by Amethyst at PGO Academy pa rin sa March 2026. Para sa EuroTV News, Vanessa Cleofas, sumasaludo sa bawat Pilipino.